Hi friends, I am going to show you how to play Shapes Bingo. So going to the math room in the digital classroom, you're going to click on the math journal that now says Shapes Bingo. Click on the blue words and it's going to take you to the game. Press the play button. Hit go. Now there's three options. There's shapes and colors, shapes, or colors. So let's do shapes first.
Cylinder.
Click on the shape that matches.
Oval. Heart.
And it's going to give you a fuzzy every time you get a right answer.
Score report.
If you don't know what the shape is, it's okay. It's okay to guess.
Select a game.
Now let's try shapes and colors.
Select a bingo board size. Orange. Rectangle.
Click on the shape that matches, and again, it'll give you a fuzzy. And every time you get three in a row,
square.
You will get bingo.
Square. Purple. Diamond.
And that's it.
Score report.
Good luck.